我80，小樣69，差11分，11分啫，又唔係多到好誇張，不過已經夠分到高低。點講都好，我英文水平係喺佢之上。成績出咗喎，你睇咗未啊？
Saw the numbers.
點啊？有咩感覺啊？
Numbers don't feel like much. They just sit there.
其實呢個 test 都幾準，你69，即係工作上基本夠用，一般溝通冇問題，但仲有唔少進步空間。我80就已經係另一個 category，handle 複雜啲嘅表達都穩陣好多。
Category.
係啊，即係話我哋而家唔同 level。
A score can rank you. Can ignore you.
分數唔使認識人㗎嘛，分數就係一個客觀指標，用嚟睇能力，分 level 做評估。
Yes, it can place you on a scale, but people are never only scales.
咁如果唔睇分數，點知一個人學成點呢？
My teacher said numbers are useful. They count what can be counted, but a person is always more than what can be counted. In my village, my English teacher never gave us scores. No 60, no 70, no 90.
咁佢點改功課？
She heard mistakes, but she listened past them. She wanted to know what kind of life was trying to speak. One boy said, "My father's hands like tree roots." Grammar wrong, words simple. Teacher said, "I can feel the roots." One girl wrote, "I am tiny, but my dream is a giant." Teacher said, "I see it waking up." They did not get scores. They got responses. They got seen.
喂，你 overall 幾多啊
75，但 reading 拉低咗，唉。
咁都係唔錯啊。80，一個幾好睇嘅分數，一個好整齊嘅數字。佢的確講到我而家係咩 level，但講唔到我係一個點樣嘅人。所以你覺得分數唔重要？
Not important. Just not the whole truth. A score can classify a person. It cannot understand one. Numbers are still. People are becoming. How can something still tell the whole story of something growing?
我一直都以為英文好似一把梯咁，邊個爬得高啲，邊個就叻啲。但對小樣嚟講，英文唔係梯，英文係門，一扇可以行入人哋心裏邊嘅門。難怪我一路只係識向上爬，但爬咗咁耐，好似都冇真正去到邊。如果唔用分數，點先算係進步？
When yesterday you could not say it, and today you can. That is progress. When before, your words stopped at your mouth, but now they reach another person. That is progress. When language stops being a wall for fear, and becomes a window for truth. That is progress.
原來我一直想證明嘅唔係我到底講到啲乜，而係我比邊個高。小樣 My score looks fine, but maybe my English has been living on paper, not in me.